said that there is overwhelming support for the freedom of Desmond Ballantyne, more popularly known as Ninja Man. Now, I'm going to hear a speech from Ninja Man to members of law enforcement. And then we are continuing reasoning. If you want to see Ninja Man freed, drop a like on the video. And also drop a comment in the comment section. Now, as I say, I'm going to see the video and then we will continue reasoning. You can listen.
Check. Good morning. Yeah. Everybody's surprised. Ninja Man, in the midst of the conference center, giving a motivation speech. Everyone wonder, what the hell is Mr. Man to do? But I would like to ask you people, who is the most perfect person to give the officer of Jamaica a personal motivation speech? Isn't this the man that have experience of what it is to binge through officers in and out, or ups and down, round and round? Well, let me tell you something. First, I want every living officers inside this room give themselves a round of applause. And I'm about to change your name hard. Every name gonna change, you know why? I'm gonna give you a name like this. The slave of the country. And the reason why you people are the slave of the country cannot pay you for the work that you have been doing. If there's storm, the police is out there. If it's shooting, the police is out there. If it's fire, the fireman is out there. And when it gets well out of control, the soldiers are out there. And we cannot forget the nurses and the doctors, because we should include them in the officers' thing too, because whenever time the country gets in any problem, the doctors and the nurses are working as hard as the police and the soldiers. Well, I'm not here today only to give a motivation speech. I'm here to offer the government assistance. In helping to make Jamaica a better place to live. Now, sometimes people might look upon it and say, it's the police's responsibility to cut down crime. No. It's our responsibility. It's not the Prime Minister's responsibility to let the country become a better place. The Prime Minister's responsibility is to run the country. It's our responsibility to move our country forward with whatsoever the government are doing to make it better. No, we're not calling upon the police them now because they're already doing their work. We're not calling upon the fireman, the soldierman, the nurses, the doctors, nor the people them that the country are doing their work. We're calling upon the Jamaican people them now. If we take a stand and look at the country, the 24th of this month, I am 51 years of age. I know Jamaica from you could have count how much car into a community. Now, you cannot count how much car up on the road because you are mad. We know Jamaica from Jamaica, you could have count the hotel them. Pegasus and Windham. Now even Port Henderson Back Road becomes a hotel strip. That means the country is growing. Now look, we don't have one telephone company. Now we have cable, we have satellite, We have more than one phone company. I'm going to tell you something. Them all put phone company down at town. But nobody never believes that the phone company could have go down at town because town is so violent, so dangerous. But yet still, they make it them point at duty and say, if they're going to kill us, we're going to position ourselves down here, the head of the digital Now let's work to let this country be the country that it's supposed to be, and not the country that it's about to head to. Because sometime, and I'm going to talk to him, Mr. Hindi come too. Because the thing is that sometimes when you pressure the police, them and they can't do their work in peace. And me as a man, I'm coming from a bad man point of view, where I can tell you, no bad man no there in Jamaica again. You have a set of criminals and murderers that you're dealing with. Some people who just take up gun and turn it on anyone and does not care. And if the police catch one of them and deal with him, you know, when they come charge them for it, so oh no catch him and we destroy the people them and charge him. Check on yourself. We need to step up and moving forward to help the police force or to help the officers of Jamaica to be proud of themselves and proud of the work they are doing. Too much.
Now tell the truth, very few artists with a dancehall or reggae could articulate themselves in the way we say Ninja Man articulate himself. What is even more surprising to fans is that, well, Ninja Man articulate himself in this way. I talk to law enforcement as somebody who we know as a hardcore member of dancehall. Some would say even more known for his hardcore gun lyrics. Now people are saying those hardcore gun lyrics are one of the reasons why people put Ninja Man in our box. That's why people surprised to hear him articulate himself this way and attack to law enforcement. And that's why some people believe say I'm guilty. People believe say the way the case was presented, it was presented in a way that was unfair. People never see him as Desmond. People that see him as Ninja Man. They might refer to him as Desmond during the judicial situation, but everybody knew. So the way it is being presented is that, yes, it's a Ninja Man who was up on stage and sing about certain things. He must do it. And the people must say, no. The people must say evidence after that if support what is being said. And the thing is, it's almost like even though Ninja Man's case was publicized, it's almost like it happened. And most people, they even did hear the details. And now that they might hear the details, they must say, but wait. And people believe at the same thing will happen when the case is presented for an appeal. Like the video. If you agree and you want to see the freedom of Ninja Man, drop a like on the video and you comment in the comment section. Now, based on what we hear, you have heard the story by now. It was alleged that Ninja Man entered the yard with a weapon. Nobody never seen him fire it. But they said that Ninja Man was all the way in Mandeville. And the witnesses that say them see him enter the yard with a weapon, for some reason, they never see him use the weapon. Even though a weapon was used, somebody's life was taken. And just because of him being there, well, he was one of the prime suspects. But it was also revealed that everybody involved in the situation knew each other. And that what took place, it was more of a community situation. And that somebody when Ninja Man knew the inner altercation with the individual that lost his life. But even that individual, the man where I ended up the argument with the man where losing life, eyewitness never see him take the man life neither. Them say an explosion was heard. And based on forensics, a firearm was used. and a man's life was taken. But who do it? And is it because that Ninja Man name call? And because his persona, his on-stage persona. People always say it's like entertainers are judged upon them on-stage persona more than how actors are judged on theirs. Meaning say if somebody play a certain character in real life, yeah, you have some people probably feel like them stay so. But I guess because they made for actors different people in different shows, people say, well, maybe that I just act the mark. But because if you're an entertainer, you have to stay in character. Because you have to put out a song this week as Ninja Man, you have to put out a song next week as same Ninja Man. So you find, say, even though you can sing different songs anyway, your persona is always the same. So people always see you as your on-stage character. Very few people know Desmond. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Of course, if you're new to the channel, so pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. As I say, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you want to see the freedom for Ninja Man, comment freedom in the comment section. Now until the reason again, as I say, live, love and prosper. And of course, stay tuned